Dear students, today we are going to discuss about very important chapter regarding the accounting system. In class 11 BBA or CPT examination, those students are going to appear accounting based any question, any type of doubts. They must know the basic concept of accounting system. Today I am going to discuss, don't skip the single point from till beginning to the last. You just watch attentively and carefully. See here, basic means fundamental and concept means idea. Accounting, it is a process of recording, classifying and summarizing the transactions. Of course, the transaction related to the money. These transactions is counting as the accounting transactions when there is a money related transactions are there. So it is a fundamental idea how to record, how to classify and how to summarize the len-den means transactions. So here the transactions to record, there are some process. Now first is sources of information. These all the informations will get on the basis of documents before going to record, because when you are recording there must be some original base. If there is no original base, the fundamental information will be totally invalid. For example, our sources of information, if it is from voucher, if it is from the invoice, if it is from the debit note, credit note, or if it is from the any check book, then we can understand that it is already occurred and it is actual and original information. So before going to record, there must be the sources of information means important documents, invoice number, invoice, original invoice, and also will be there that different bills of payment, bills of receipt. These documents are first sources of information and the original source. So one accountant means those are accounting, they are accounting for the business. The accounting, they must not think that they are accounting for the owner. Owner is different, business is different in double entry system. So owner can maintain his own account, no problem, but business cannot maintain by itself. So one accountant is accounting the particular expenditures and incomes of the business. And then first he will collect all the documents, number one. So journal is the first book. Journal, after collecting all informations from the original documents. The documents are, I said, that voucher, bills of payment, or we can say that check, or we can say that the invoice, different original documents from there to write down into the journal. It is called the recording in the journal or journalizing. When accountant collect all information from the original source, from the documents, the next step is to record it in the journal. So it is called the first book of accounting system. Now in this accounting system, after writing in the journal all together without sorting out all the accounts in a chronological order by giving time and date, there writing in the journal, recording in the journal. Next stage is ledger. Ledger means when all the accounts are sorting out, means classifying, particularly in the name of John, separate book, in the name of Ram, separate book, so that we can understand the total scenario of particular person's account. It is called ledger, the classification. So the process of accounting, first recording in the journal, then classifying in the ledger. After that, require to verify whether this posting is correct or not. Because in case of accounting system, when I will discuss in my next video that regarding the double entry system, all the transactions has got two aspects, two sides, debit side and credit side. So debit side and credit side balance are correct or not. In case of journal and ledger, to check it out, we all the accountants do trial balance. Trial means check all the balances recorded in the journal and ledger whether it is correct or not. Then it is a statement. Trial balance is not account, it is a statement. This statement helps us to understand that journal and ledger, this statement is giving the information about that they are true and fair. There is no doubt. So after that, this is the third step, journal, ledger, after that trial balance. The next is financial statement. It is called the summarizing the transactions, the conclusion part. of our accounting system. In financial statement, there are three parts. One is called trading account, one is called profit and loss account, one is called balance sheet. So after checking in the trial balance, as per the particular nature of the account, it will go to the trading account, PL account and balance sheet. On the basis of the nature, it will go three particulars account. Then in this way, this accounting system is going on. So this accounting system, if we want to summarize in short what I said today, now that is, accounting system is a process. This process includes some stages. These stages are recording, classifying and summarizing the transactions. And the transaction means the transaction related to the money. In accounting, see, all the related to the money transactions are counted. So now these transactions are collected from all the original sources of documents. For example, I said that we can say invoice number, we can say credit notes, debit notes, okay, these all important documents. From there, accountant recorded in the journal, second step. Third step is that ledger. After journalizing, then specifying Ram's account, John's account, Sham's account separately, it is called ledger posting. After that, it goes to the trial balance, means it is a statement whether these postings are correct or not. Then it goes to the final conclusion. It is financial statement. It has got three parts: trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. These three steps, and after that we show that the total scenario of the company or the concern. So today I give a brief idea about the concept of accounting system. In my next video, I will go for what are the golden rules of finding out debit and credit. It is called the golden rules of accounting system. I will discuss, and also slowly I will go for journal system, ledger system, trial balance system and financial statement. This all will go step by step so that you can understand about the accounting system thoroughly. My dear students, stay tuned till the end, and also you just subscribe and like and share the videos, and you support our team so that you can get more updates. Thank you very much.